Hey guys, how you doing? I'm good. Sammy's good. We're all good. Um, like this coffee cup. Not cool. I want one of my own. Ooh. Okay. Yeah, yeah. Don't start with my hair, okay? This morning when I woke up, it was a mohawk. I must have been sleeping hard. It's, it's finally relaxing. Anyway, we are going to try and plant some more seeds, okay? Now, I got this nifty little things you put seeds in. I got some seed starter dirt, okay? So maybe it'll go a little better this time. So I'm going to put it down. All right, I know I'm tilty, so deal with it. Oh well. So got some peas. So wait a minute. It says to dampen the dirt. Yeah. Why don't I have one of them things? And I'll do it this way. That way it won't be so shaky. Oh yeah. It says soak it real good. See, what I'll do is put that one in here. Why'd I do that? I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing, people. It says moisten it real good. So I'm moistening it, baby. I'm moistening it. Okay, now I've got 4 packages of seeds right here. So I'm gonna fill each 3 of them. Okay, look, the beans are going in these 3 pots. So it says to plant 1 seed every 2 inches. I don't know. Do you think I could plant one on that side and one on that side? That's about 2 inches. I don't know. You think? Oh, they look like little peas. Look at this. They're like little peas. Isn't that cute? Okay, but this goes one to, let's see. Yeah, it doesn't say how deep to plant them. So one of these, the second one, I'm going to do one over here and one over here. And the third one, I'll put in the middle and just put the dirt over it, I guess. Wow, I've got a lot of seeds here. That's okay, I'll see them. Okay, next, cilantro. This says, it doesn't say. So, look at these little seeds. Cilantro. So, I'm going to put like 2 down in there. 3. Because it doesn't say. It doesn't say how many to put in there. Okay. That's in there. Okay. Ooh, bell pepper. I'm excited about this one. Well, good Lord. I don't want you to get in there. Oh, look at these. These little seeds right here. I'm going to do 2 of them in each pot. And it said 1/4 of an inch down. So. Okay. Oops, come back here, you little sucker. Okay. All right. Now, my last one is the onion. Well, apparently I have storage issues and it cut off on me, but I got about 15 seconds left to figure out what happened. So anyway, sorry. I forgot to bring the markers out, so I put them. Okay, guys, I had to fix my internal storage so I could do some more videotaping. Anyway, it cut me off, but I got all 4 planted in 3 containers, and I've got them marked. I did buy a tomato plant. I planted that, so I'm pretty happy. I talked to my friend in Tennessee, and we were going to be going all over the place this summer, but we decided this morning that it's probably more important that we can stuff. So we're going to be canning. I don't know when I'm going to be leaving here, but I'll probably be gone a couple weeks, and then I'll come back and stay until we go up there, or until June, because I have VA appointments out the yin yang. So yeah, but we were going to do all kind of things, and but we decided to spend the money that we would be paying for gas on food preparation. So the canners are going to be busy, and the dehydrators are going to be busy. I'm going to be busy, busy, busy. So I'm looking forward to it, though. I really am. You know, no one takes it as serious as I do. I know my kids, a lot of them say, "Oh, Mom, oh, wacko." But Tommy and Michelle are kind of on board with it, but not as serious as I am. So, although he didn't understand why I wanted to plant the seeds right now, you know, he went with it. So Tommy did. So I'm pretty happy about that. Let's see. I haven't got the pictures from him yet. It's been kind of chaotic around here. We get home from a busy weekend, and then they have soccer games back to back. I'm thinking, oh my gosh. So I found out there's only 2 more soccer games this year. So anyway, I'll get to see him play 2 more times. So anywho. Then we got another birthday party coming up soon, next weekend, not this weekend, but next weekend. And I think we're just going to do, that was a special birthday, that was a sweet 16 we had for one of the girls. The little guy, and his birthday is this weekend, so we're gonna have a little party, or next weekend, so we're gonna have a little party for him, do some hot dogs and hamburgers out on the grill, stuff like that, cake, whatever. And after that, I'll probably go to Tennessee and do some food preparation with Marlene, and she's doing really good, by the way. So I will be able to get any and all mail when I go up there in 2 weeks. So I'm excited because I'm supposed to have some seeds up there, and I can't wait. Can't wait. I may take my potting. No, I'll leave it here. I'll buy some more when I get there. She's got all kinds of stuff. And we'll plant some seeds, and maybe we'll go to our favorite plant store that sells nothing but heirloom plants and seeds. So yeah, that's where we usually get our stuff. But I wasn't there this year so far. So anywho, that's what's going on. Sammy's not feeling very good. He, as much as we did to prepare him, he got eaten up by fleas. I think they were sand fleas. And yeah, I love you. He's been kind of sluggish and itchy and scratchy, and poor thing. But we're doing it. We're doing okay. We're going to get him some, I've been putting, I keep forgetting the name of that medicine. It comes in a little tube. No, not hydro. What is that, Sammy? What is it? What is it? Oh my goodness, what is that called? Anyway, I'm going to get some stuff that has a little painkiller. It's an ointment you put on sores and stuff. But I'm going to get some that's got a little painkiller in it, and hopefully that'll help, because he's got marks on him about that. I know, honey. No. I know. I know. I know. I know. I'm sorry. Anyway, that's it for this video. Sorry about it cutting out, but we'll get it together. I got a lot of storage now. I don't know what I cut out or deleted, but hey, at least I can do some more. So anyway, take it easy. Take it easy. Oh, I know, baby. I know. You want another bath? Would that help you? Huh? Would that help you? Anyway, take it easy. Take the long way home.